Hello friends, welcome to Vidyascooking channel. This is Vidya Lakshmi. Today I'm back with a new recipe. I'm going to be showing you how I prepared this chicken tawa kabab. This literally melts in your mouth. It's very tasty. Here I've laid out all the ingredients required for this recipe. I'll be using chicken mince. We need to finely chop all the ingredients. We'll require butter, finely chopped mint, coriander, onion, ginger, garlic, chilies, ginger garlic paste. We need pepper powder, salt, and for the masala powders I'll be using garam masala, tandoori chicken masala, turmeric powder, chilli powder, and pudina powder. We'll need some butter. I'll also be using orange food color and lemon flavor from Papilon food colors and flavors. So their colors and flavors are highly pigmented and very economical. When I'm preparing the recipe, I'll tell you more why I use this. Here in a mixing bowl, I've added all the finely chopped ingredients, that is ginger, garlic, onion, mint, coriander, chilies, ginger garlic paste, and the masala powders, that is pudina powder, garam masala, tandoori chicken masala, turmeric powder, and chili powder. Here you can see I'm squeezing all the ingredients and I'm mixing it together. I'm not using any spoon. We need to do this to enhance the flavor and taste in the chicken. Now I'll be adding the chicken mince, and in the same manner I'm going to squeeze and mix all the ingredients till the flavors from all the ingredients penetrates inside the chicken. Now my chicken is very well mixed. At this point I'll be adding my butter. You can also use ghee and pepper powder. Adjust the salt and add the salt as per your taste. Now I'll combine all the ingredients. Finally, we need to add the food color and the flavors. Why I used food color and flavor here? You can definitely use lemon juice, but the lemon flavor enhances the flavor in this kebab. So I've added 5 drops of lemon flavor and 5 drops of this orange food color. This step is completely optional, but if you add it, you'll know what I'm talking about. These bottles are priced at 25 rupees per bottle and it will last you for ages. Here I've mixed the chicken very well and allowed it to rest for 5 minutes. So my chicken is marinated. Now once my chicken has marinated, I'm going to start dividing it into equal roundels. Divide your chicken into equal roundels, and when you're doing this, also place your tawa on medium flame, that is your skillet or your iron pan on medium flame. Allow it to reach temperature, add oil. So once you finish forming your roundels, place the roundel directly on the skillet and flatten it slightly. That's it. You need not do more. Just flatten it lightly and allow it to fry on low to medium flame. Don't flatten it too much. We need the kebabs to be juicy and very tender. So once I have placed the roundel, I have gently flattened it. I'm going to fry this on low to medium flame for 2 to 3 minutes on each side. Don't press the kebab using your slotted spoon. It will dry out fast. So once it has fried for 2 minutes on one side, I've flipped it to the other side and I'm going to be frying it on the other side as well. Detailed written recipes on my blog. The blog link will be in the description box below this video, or you can click the icon above this video which will direct you to my blog. For regular updates, do like me and follow me on Instagram, Facebook and Twitter. All my social media handle links will be in the description box below this video. You can also visit my Tamil channel. I keep posting my recipes translated in Tamil language on my Tamil channel. All the links and the ingredients used in this recipe will be listed in the description box below this video. So I've placed the second batch of kebabs I've formed the regular oblong shape and I've placed it in the hot oil. Here you can see the kebabs which I fried earlier is pushed to the side of the tawa and it's frying, it's cooking. So you need to cook this for a minute's time and all the excess oil will drain out automatically. So that's why we use a tawa. Once the kebabs have fried, I'm directly going to be serving it as hot as possible. You can sprinkle some chaat masala as per your preference and serve it, but I like it just the way it is. So here goes my tawa chicken kebab. It has turned out excellent. Try this recipe and post your comments, friends. If you enjoyed watching this video recipe, give me a thumbs up and subscribe to me for more recipes. I'll be seeing you soon with the next recipe video. This is Vidyalakshmi. Thank you so much for watching. Bye-bye.